Hello, hello, dear students. Hola, chicos. My name is Miss Margot. Mi nombre es Miss Margot. Hoy día vamos a aprender la lección 1 de tu librito, ¿ya? My School. El título es Mi Escuela. Vamos a aprender este vocabulario, chicos. Book, libro, chair, silla, crayon, crayola, table, mesa, and red color, el color rojo. Vamos a ver la siguiente imagen. Book. Repeat after me. Book. Book. This is a book. This is a book. ¿Ya? Next. Siguiente. Chair. Chair. This is a chair. This is a chair. Very good. Next. Crayon. Repeat. Crayon. This is a crayon. Crayon. Next. Table. Table. This is a table. This is a table. Very good. Oh, red color. Red color. This is red color. Now, let's do some exercises. Vamos a hacer algunos ejercicios. Oh, look at the picture. Ajá, red. Vamos a encerrar, vamos a señalar. Tomato. Strawberry. Cherries. And a delicious watermelon. Vamos a jugar. What's this? ¿Qué imagen es esta? It's a table. Very good. It's a book. Excellent. Next picture. Vamos a ver la siguiente imagen. ¿Qué será esto, chicos? It's a chair. No, it's a, very good. It's a crayon. Okay. Next, la siguiente imagen. What is this? What's this? It's a chair. Oh, very good. And the next picture is, tan, tan, tan. Oh, what's this? It's a table. Excellent. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. Espero que les haya gustado el video, chicos. Ha sido algo así rápido y veloz, very fast. Ya, continue practicing. Bye, bye.